Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today I have two cases in front of me here, and we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. We have two Ultra Hybrid cases here. So what we have is the Frost Clear, which is a frosted back, and we have the Crystal Clear, which is the clear case, no frosted back. Okay, so this is the clear one without the frosted look. So this is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid. And I'm not gonna be unboxing this, already took it out of the box so you can see how it looks on the phone. I'm not gonna bore you with too much talking and unboxing, it's pretty much straightforward. It's a case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the purple, and this is how it looks. You have the cutout in the back here. It has a hump that goes over the camera to protect your phone, so if you sit it down on the back, it's protected. We have our power button here on the right. We have the speaker grills cut out at the bottom, and the Spigen logo here as it always looks, and the volume up and down. As far as how the buttons feel, they're really soft and nice, clicky. There's not much resistance to the buttons where you have to be pressing really hard. That's what I really like with this case as well. And overall, it has a nice clean look. So this is a nice case to get if you want to have a clear case to show off the color of your iPhone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead pop this one off, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab the frosted back one and see how that looks on the iPhone. So this one I didn't unbox. Let's go ahead and take it out the pack, and we're gonna rip these films from the inside. We have one inside and we have one outside. So let's get the boxes out the way, keep those aside, and we're gonna compare these. So this is how it looks. This is the frosted back and the clear one. So the crystal on my right, the frosted on the left, and this is how it looks. As you can see how my hands look through the case. My hands are stripping, guys. Pretty hard work with these hands, so don't mind the look of my hands, just look at the case. So this is how it looks. So let's go ahead and pop this on the phone, the frosted one on the phone, see how it looks. Goes on pretty nice and easy. So this is how it looks from the back, the iPhone, the deep purple. From different angles, this phone does look gray sometimes, but it's a nice complement to the color. Look at that. So the same cutouts as the other Spigen case, the Ultra Hybrids. The Crystal Clear is the exact same thing, except one has a frosted back, step back. That's the only difference that they have. So the volume up and down feels the same, nice and clicky, not too much resistance, and nice look on the phone as well. The lippage, you have a nice lippage to protect your screen when it falls, and a nice bump for the camera as well. So this is how it looks from the front, the bottom, the top, the back with the camera. That's how it looks. Okay, overall it's a nice case, protects your phone from falls depending on how far your phone falls from, but it does offer nice protection. And these cases are kind of hard to get off sometimes. I found out that it's easier to pop it off from the bottom here, and then it will be off easy. So let's pop the Crystal Clear one back on and give you another look of this one. Here it is. So this is how it looks. So from the bottom, as I mentioned before, they're the same case except one has a frosted back and one doesn't. So that's how it looks. All right, and the camera here. So this offers protection as well, nice lippage to protect the screen and for the camera bump as well. All right, so hope this video helps you out. If you're looking for, this is an old screen protector here on my table. Let me get that off, sorry. So if you're out looking for a case for your new iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro, and you were looking at these, hopefully this video helps you out in making your decision. And thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on the channel. Thank you for watching again. Peace.